Our problem says, how can I show two parts of 9 using red and yellow counters? Remember that we are finding 9. This is our whole. You've seen this before. Our whole is on top. These two are going to equal the whole. So I'm going to use my counters, and you could use counters at home too. You want 9 counters, okay? And I'm going to build 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put 6 here. I'm not to 9 yet. I still put more over here. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 9 all together. Remember that we like to place these in an easy pattern for us to recognize. I want you to do that at home too. So if you're building, maybe you want to build first with your counters, and then you could go ahead and draw it. Okay, let's take a look at our learning target today. We can recognize the parts of the number 9, and we'll be using the sentence frame. The parts are blank and blank. The whole is blank. So remember the whole, if we go back and look at this other problem we had here, the whole was 9, 6 and 3 are the parts. So here it says the parts are, we would say 6 and 3, the whole is 9. Show parts of 9, write the numbers for red counters and yellow counters. Okay, so let's count the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the yellow. 1, 2. 7 and 2 are the parts. 9 is the whole. So we can say the parts are 7 and 2. The whole is 9. Let's do the next one. We're going to count the red ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to write down my 5. Now I'm going to count the yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. The parts are 5 and 4. The whole is 9. It's always going to be 9 right now because that's what we're working on. The directions say show parts of 9. So go ahead and you're going to say this with me. The parts are 5 and 4. The whole is 9. One more problem here we're going to do together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the other part. 1, 2, 3. The parts are 6 and 3. The whole is 9. Your practice sheet today, the learning target says we can recognize parts of the number 9. So you'll see in these first two problems, it's just like what we did. There's some black counters and white counters. You write the parts below. So you'd count these, put the answer here. You'd count these, put that number here. These are your two parts. Same thing for this one. Down here, it's like that practice problem we did. It says draw counters to find the missing part of 9. So they give you part of it. So you're going to count this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then you'd put a 7 here. Then you have to keep counting to get to 9. So you're at 7, so you count on. 7, 8, 9. Okay, well, I'm at 9 now. I found that hole. I got to the hole, but I don't write 9 here. I need to write the blue. How many blues dots did I draw? I drew 2. So that's what goes here. So same thing here. You'll count that. You'll write the number that were yellow. Then you will count on till you get to 9. And then whatever number of dots you have in this box, that's what you write here. 9 is just telling us it's the whole. You need to write the missing part.